Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How you can pin a comment which will be displayed right on the top of your comment list below your selected video. For this purpose, first of all, you need to open your channel and select a specific video. Let's suppose I'm going to select this video. How you can pin a comment? For example, I am searching for a comment. You can also write a comment here and pin that one, but I want to pin a specific comment here. You can see that this Sajid Nawaz Raja, this is an excellent comment. I want to pin that one. Click on these three dots. You can see that these are three dots. Click on it and click on pin. If you already pinned a comment, this will replace it, but I have no comment that will be placed as a pinned comment, so I pin it. You can see that this comment is pinned and it is shown on the top of all the comments. In this way you can comment a specific point. You can pin up a specific comment for your special videos, and you can make a special comment for all the viewers. Anyone comes to see your video, and on the right of comments, on the top on the top of the comment list, he will see your comment in this way. So this is the very simple way to pin down a comment for your videos. I think you may have learned something new from this video. Thank you so much for watching.